Hello everyone, this is Preet. As we have already started the topic articles and we are already done with the three main things in articles, that is a and the. इस टॉपिक के स्टार्ट होने से पहले मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था कि आर्टिकल्स, जैसे कि आप लोगों ने तीन आर्टिकल्स पढ़े हैं, ए एंड द. But at the end of this lesson, I will tell you the fourth article, and that fourth article is zero article. And wherever you put zero article, we have to put a cross or write zero article in front of that word. Now, where we use zero article is the topic for today's discussion. So, whenever there is name of a person, if you remember, in my previous video, I told you that in front of name of a personality, we write the. And here I am telling you that in front of name of a person. So there is a huge difference between a person and a personality. Personality is a well-known person, and a person is like me, like you. Fine. So I will not write the in front of my name because I'm not known to the world, or I haven't done anything जिससे लोग मुझे जाने. तो I cannot write the in front of my name, that is Inderpreet. So wherever there is a word, there is the name of any person, common person, we will write or we will put a cross or we will write zero article in front of that name. Your name, my name, your father's name, your mother's name, your grandfather's name, your grandmother's name, we will put a cross in front of those names or we will write zero article. Then is name of a country. If you remember, in my previous video, I told you that in front of a few countries, we do not, we write the, a few countries like the USA, the USSR, if you remember. But here I'm telling you of a country. There was a few countries. So I told you the difference between a few and a. A few means मुट्ठी भर. मुट्ठी भर means थोड़े से, कुछ, 4, 5, 6, कुछ. बट यहां पे हम बात कर रहे हैं नेम ऑफ अ कंट्री, विच मीन्स उनको छोड़ के वो जो हम लोगों ने बात करी थी, ग्रुप ऑफ कंट्रीज से बन के मिलके जो एक कंट्री बनती है, जैसे द यूएसए, द यूएसएसआर, वैसे जैसे कंट्रीज के आगे द आएगा. बट कॉमन कंट्रीज, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आवर कंट्री इंडिया, we cannot write the in front of India. We cannot write the in front of Canada. Fine. So we will put a cross in front of them, or we will not write any article, a and the. And when we do not write any article in front of a country or a name, then we call it as zero articles. Then we have uncountable noun. If you remember, heavenly bodies, मैंने बोला था heavenly bodies के आगे द आता है, but stars के आगे द नहीं आता. That I will tell you later on, and that later on is today. So in front of uncountable nouns, stars are uncountable. Here on my head is uncountable. Stars in the sky, uncountable. Leaves on a tree, uncountable. So we write cross, or we will not write any article in front of uncountable nouns. Fine. Then is name of a school or a university. Like my school, Shiksha Niketan Senior Secondary School, Jeevan Nagar. I will not write the in front of my school. Fine. Jammu University. We will not write the in front of Jammu University because the grammar says we will not write any article in front of a school or a university. So I hope you understood the fourth द फोर्थ आर्टिकल दैट इज जीरो आर्टिकल. हम आज तक ए एंड द करते आए, बट आज की वीडियो में मैंने आपको एक नया आर्टिकल सिखाया है, दैट इज जीरो आर्टिकल, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन अवर लाइव्स, in our grammar, in our English grammar. This is very important, zero articles. Why it is important? Because we used to put the in front of the name of a person. हम आप लोग देखिएगा, जब आप लोग आंसर्स करते हैं अपने कुछ लिटरेचर के, जो आप लोग आंसर्स करते हैं अपने टेक्स्ट के, जो आंसर्स करते हैं, यू यूज टू राइट द इन फ्रंट ऑफ द नेम ऑफ अ करेक्टर, बट यू नीड नॉट टू राइट. वाई? अभी हम लोगों ने किया. The rule of the grammar says that we should not put the in front of any name, country, uncountable nouns. I suppose you understood it very well. We will pick up a new topic, and till then, take care. God bless you all. Thank you.